Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the entirely merciful, the especially merciful. حدثنا محمد بن مسنى قال حدثنا عبد الوهاب الثقفي قال حدثنا أيوب عن أبي كلابة عن أنس عن النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم قال ثلاث من كن فيه وجد حلاوة الإيمان أن يكون الله ورسوله أحب إليه مما سواهما وأن يحب المرء لا يحبه إلا لله وأن يكره أن يعود في الكفر كما يكره أن يقذف في النار. Narrated Ans. The Prophet ﷺ said, whoever possesses the following three qualities will have this sweetness delight of faith. First, the one to whom Allah and His Apostle become dearer than anything else. Second, who loves a person and he loves him only for Allah's sake. Third, who hates to revert to atheism, disbelief, and he hates to be thrown into the fire. This hadith highlights the importance of sincere love for Allah and His Messenger. Genuine affection for others solely for the sake of Allah. It encourages believers to cultivate a deep and meaningful faith. حدثنا أبو الوليد قال حدثنا شعبة قال أخبرني عبد الله بن جبر قال سمعت أنسا عن النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم قال آيات الإيمان حب الأنصار وآيات النفاق بعض الأنصار. Narrated Ans. The Prophet ﷺ said, love for the Ansar is a sign of faith, and hatred for the Ansar is a sign of hypocrisy. This hadith underscores the importance of unity, love, and support within the Muslim community. It's a reminder of the significance of fostering strong bonds with fellow believers and working together in harmony. It encourages the cultivation of love and solidarity as essential component of genuine faith and warns against the divisive nature of hypocrisy and enmity toward fellow Muslims.